Hello friends, I'm Rasna here once again with you with the words of Kabir, of course, and so we will talk about him once again. What he says: पति भरता मैली भली गले कांच की पोत सब सखियां में यों दीपे ज्यों सूरज की जोत. मीन्स पतिव्रता स्त्री तन से मैली भी हो तो भी अच्छी है, चाहे उसके गले में केवल कांच के मोती की माला ही क्यों ना हो, फिर भी वह अपनी उन सब सखियों के बीच में सूरज के तेज के समान चमकती है. दैट मीन्स द लेडी हु लव्स हिज her husband the fullest. So here I will say that he was also giving such examples like which are more towards the patriarchal thought, but still if he tries to say that in the same way that we are true to our Almighty, then the same way as in our society the lady who is who is devoted to her husband, like in those days and even now in Hindu religion it is considered that God, the husband is god of for the wife. So it is, he is just giving that as example, that he is saying that like the lady who is true to her husband, who is and is having more shine and is having such a good character, is far better than any other one who are, even if she is poor, is far other better than other ladies who are not having such a good character. Then he says, बुरा जो देखन मैं चला बुरा न मिलिया कोई, जो दिल खोजा आप ना मुझसे बुरा न कोई. Means I went out in the world to find out the bad things about this world, but when I stopped finding that and started searching within myself, I found so many bad things to be corrected, then to make the corrections in the world. So first, if he needs to say, he wants to say that if we try to, यानी अगर हम खुद के अंदर की बुराइयों को छान ले और उनको खत्म कर दें तो ये संसार की बुराइयां अपने आप खत्म हो जाएंगी. मीन्स वी नीड नॉट फाइंड आउट द वर्ल्डली थिंग्स, बैड थिंग्स, टू रिमूव द बैड थिंग्स फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी. रादर वी नीड टू लुक विद इन, improve ourselves, and if every human being can do that, then the world is already improved. Then he says, हिंदू कहे मोई राम प्यारा, तुर्क कहे रहमाना, आपस में दो लड़ी लड़ी मरे, मरम कोई न जाना. मीन्स हिंदू कहता है कि राम अच्छा है, मुसलमान कहता है कि रहमान अच्छा है, दोनों लड़ लड़ के मर गए पर जिंदगी का मर्म कोई नहीं समझ पाया. मीन्स he says that in the fight of religions, Hindus say that Lord Ram is, because Kashi, where he was born, Saint Kabir was born, was the center of religious religions, and both the religions, and the religious fight of religious supremacy was going on that time. So in those times he was born, and he says he hits at the right point, and he says that Hindu says Ram is great and Muslim says Rahman is, but both of them could not understand the real meaning of life. They could not understand the meaning of love, so they could not spread love. Rather than they just fought in hatred and lost their lives. Then he says, कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में मांगे सबकी खैर, ना काहू से दोस्ती ना काहू से बैर. He says, I don't have any damn thing to be done with all these religions and all these social pomp and show. He says that if you need to live life, you have to be good with everyone, spread love with everyone. I am alone standing in the market. मैं बाजार में खड़ा हूँ, सबकी खैर पूछता हूँ, and I ask everyone's well-being. I pray for everyone's well-being, and I am not with any religion or any society. ना मेरी किसी से दोस्ती है, ना मेरा किसी से बैर है. Means I don't carry any burden of any favors to someone or any hatred with someone. No. So I am happy beyond all these burdens. Then he says, जिन खोजा तिन पाइयां गहरे पानी पैठ, मैं बपुरा बूढ़न डरा रहा किनारे बैठा. Means if you need to find that sea, means जो कोशिश करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ पा ही लेते हैं, लेकिन जो बेचारे लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो डूबने के भय से जिंदगी भर किनारे में ही बैठे रह जाते हैं, वो कुछ नहीं कर पाते. मीन्स इफ यू हैव फियर फ्रॉम गोइंग इनटू द डीप वाटर्स, देन यू विल गेट नथिंग. ओनली दोज who get something, who get pearls, are those who dare to go into deep waters, and those others remain sitting on the side corner of the at the beach of the sea, and they get nothing and they lose their life like that. Then he says, जो उगे सो आथवे, फूले सो कुमलाए, जो चुने सो डही पड़े, जन्मे सो मरी जाए. उगने वाला डूबता है, खिलने वाला सूखता है, बनाई जो वस्तु बिगड़ती है, जन्मा है वो प्राणी मरता है. मीन्स the same way the sun rises and sun sets, the flower blossoms and flower dies. Then the same way we make something that gets damaged, the same way our life, once we are born, we are bound to die. So try to live within the birth and death. Do something good and don't keep collecting things and fighting with others, with carrying the burden of hatred and the burden of having possessions. Nothing will go with you. You are bound to die. Your body is going to get damaged and you are bound to go empty-handed. So leave all those connections behind and go ahead without all these burdens.